Hi guys, I am doing a slime thing even though I only have 7. I will be getting more like later in the future. Anyway, sorry about that, that's where my thing's gonna go. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing this, so yeah, let's get on with the video. Milky Way slime. It's a nice jiggly one. Foam slime. Cheese. By the way, I'd probably call this soft serve. I don't know. Yeah, I'd probably call this a soft serve slime. For this one, but yeah, comment down below what this one should be called. Here's a description of it. It's got a really soft and like kind of lotiony feeling, just in slime form, and it's gray. And yeah, the next 10 seconds here. Yellow banana butter slime. This one purple paradise. I don't know why. Since you haven't seen any real swirls, I'll show you one. For today, guys, so next time I will have more slime than this, definitely. So yeah, bye.